Hello, my name is Thea, and this is the micro lesson, actually the second micro lesson for Teach English Now Capstone 2 Week 2. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon, class. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great and not too tired and exhausted from our yesterday's class. Good. I'm so happy to see you guys back here. So before we move on to what we are gonna talk about today, let's have a quick recap of what we learned yesterday. Okay. I prepared a few questions, like three or four questions for you guys, and those of you who know the answer, please raise your hands, or it's okay, just shout out your answer. It's okay, let's warm up a little bit, okay? My first question is really easy. Do you guys still remember whose speech did we listen yesterday? Yes, I know it's easy, Emma Watson. Or if you wish, you can call her Hermione. Yes. And do you guys remember the topic of the speech, Erica? Gender. Good. Can you be more specific about that? Okay, it's okay. James, can you help out here? She majorly talked about, remember the name of the campaign is called He for She, so it's about very good men's role in helping achieving gender equality. Very good. Okay, I'm so proud. Good. Let's move on to my second question. Do you guys remember something specific, like detail or stories or examples that Emma used in her speech? Remember yesterday we learned to listen for main ideas, but also for the detail, right? This is for the detail. Okay, you guys want an example? Good. Okay. As for me, I remember that she said when she was 8, she was called bossy because she wanted to direct a drama. Remember? That was really memorable for me. And another thing, she mentioned that there's really high suicide rate in UK, especially for men. That was very memorable to me as well. Okay, your turn. Give me some examples and stories from yesterday's speech. Very good. I'm so glad you guys remember so clear about everything, and I'm very proud of you guys. Okay, let's move on to next question. Can you record some features of the British accent, or would we record received pronunciation as those in BBC? Remember? Yes, we talked about the pronunciation of the letter R. Yes, good. And can you give me an example? Car and car, very good. And the letter A, very good, as in ba, class, very good. And we also have the letter, we have other letters, but we said that the phrase we can use to remember is called, also in the American part, a glass of water, as in British accent we see a glass of water. Very good. So far so good. And my last question, are you guys better at WeChat voice messages now? I got all of your submissions through WeChat, so I guess all of you figured this out. For those of you who are very fluent with it, good. For those of you who are just starting to learn it, it's okay. We'll have more practice today using WeChat to help you guys improve your listening and your speaking English. Okay. This is about what we learned yesterday, okay? We went through this together, and today we're going to expand our scope a little bit. We're still talking about gender issues and check out other places in the world. Yesterday we talked about Emma, majorly talking about UK. Today we're going to expand to EU, Asia, Africa, and America. Use another video, very famous video too. But we are majorly focusing on the more developing world, like less developed world, I'm sorry. Okay, let's rate. Which region do you think has the most severe situation in gender equality? Africa, Asia, South America, yes. Arabic, yeah, Arabic is part of Asia. Yes, very good. Today we're looking into all these issues, okay? So what exactly are we talking about today? Today we'll continue to look at gender issue in the world, and but today, instead of getting only the facts, we're exploring the causes and the solutions to these issues. Very appealing, right? We'll listen for main ideas and the detail as of yesterday, and we'll learn to speak and present with a hook. I'll explain this later, but basically it means to start your speech or presentation with something really appealing or attractive so others would pay more attention, okay? You would grab the attention of others like a hook to a fish. Then we will use WeChat more to help the learning of listening and speaking. Okay, are you guys ready?